Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing square of two digits number. Till now, we have discussed the shortcut methods for finding squares of number from 41 to 49, 51 to 59, 91 to 99, and 101 to 109. We have also discussed the squares of a number ending with 5. Now we'll be discussing other numbers and see how to find the squares of those two-digit number. Okay, so let's see how it is done. So here is a method for that. I need to find the square of a number n1, that means n1 times n1. n1 consists of two digits d1 and d2, that means d1 d2 multiplied by d1 and d2. So what is the first step? The first step is to find the square of the first digit, and we need to place in a position called p1. Then we need to find the square of the second digit d2 and we'll place it in the position called p2. Then we need to multiply d1 by d2 by 2 and place it in the position p3. Now what are these positions, how it is done, that we'll come to know with an example easily. If any of these results is a single digit, then we have to make it as a two digit. So how to make it as a two digit? By placing a 0 before a digit if it's a single digit number. Okay, and then we need to add it, and how to add it, that we'll see with the help of example. Okay, so let's understand with the help of an example. I have 23 times 23. So what I need to do first I need to square 2 to get 4, but I have to write it as 04, correct? Then I square 3 to get 9, and then I'll be writing it as 09. And then I'll do 2 times 3 times 2, which is equals to 12. And then I have to write 12 in the middle, down in the middle. So this position is very important. And then we need to add it normally to get my result, which is 529. I hope it is clear. Okay, let's do for 27. So first I'll find the square of 2, which is 4. Then I'll find the square of 7, which is 49. Then I'll find 2 times 7 times 2, which is 28, and place 28 in the middle, and then I'll add it. So while adding, there is a carryover which is used, and the final result is 729. So I hope it is clear. We'll discuss some more examples. Let's discuss some more examples. I have 38 times 38. So 3 square is 9. I'm writing 09. Then 8 square is 64. I'm writing 64. Then 2 times 3 times 8 is 48. So I'm writing in the middle, and then I'm adding it. 4, 6 add 4, 14. 9 add 4, 13 plus 1, 14. And in this way, my result is 1444. Okay. Now, I have told you how to find the squares of number from 41 to 49. And there might be a question, can I use that approach to find the square of 38 too? Yes, definitely, we can use that approach. But the thing is, in that case, there will be a carryover. So it will be little tough rather than this method. So let's see how it is done, and it's up to you. Whatever you feel is good, you can use that one. Okay. So for 38, I need to do it. 38 is 50 minus 12. Then I need to subtract 12 from 25 to get 13 as my first two digits, and for the last two digits I'll be squaring 12, which is equals to 144. If you remember, for 41 to 49 we were getting this as two digits, but here it is three digits. So how to deal it? What we'll do is we'll write first 13144, and then this one will be added to 13 to get 14, and the answer will be 1444. So this will be a carryover here. I hope it is clear to you. So let's take one more example. 64 times 64. So 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 4, 16. And then 6 times 4 times 2 is 48. So in this way, I'll be getting my result. And we'll also try to use that method which we have used for finding squares from 51 to 59. Yes, we'll definitely try that one also here. So 64 is what? 50 plus 14. So I'll be adding 14 to 25 to get 39 as my first two digits. And for the last two digits, I'll be squaring 14, which is equals to 196. But I need a last two digits. It's a three digits. So what we'll be adding 39 and 1 to get 40. And the last two digits is 96. So final result is 4096. So I hope it is also clear to you. Two more examples for you. So 71 times 71, I'll be squaring 7, which is 49, squaring 1, which is 1, I'll be writing 01, and then 7 times 1 times 2 is 14. So I'm writing 14 over here and adding this to get 5041. Okay, take one more example. 87 times 87. 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 7 is 49. And then 8 times 7, which is 56. 56 times 2 is 112. See, in this case, I am getting a 3-digit. So there is no problem. I'll be start writing from the right hand side. Okay, so same 2 here, 1 here and 1 here, and then it will be, I'll be adding it. So 9, 6, 5 and 7 in this way. So my result is 7569. So I hope it is clear. It is clear to you. Okay. So it is expected that you should be knowing the squares of a number from 1 to 20 by heart. And for other numbers, you can use any of the approach. So I hope it is clear to you. I haven't explained it in detail. Might be it will be boring for some of the people who already knows that. That's okay. That's good. If you don't like it, that's fine. That's my way of teaching. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.